Hello, teacher. The movie is clearly looking for happiness, and the movie is learning that no matter how difficult our dreams are, they should never be crumbled. We must always have fight and have and achieve our goals. This movie makes me feel in many emotions. Sometimes we want to live every time alone the white boots. I live a beautiful reflection. That's why effort we can achieve to achieve the industrial engineers that we want. This film and relates I to take up a series that human base how to create and innovate ideas for humanity and the instance I work if it all be that the song of Will Smith followers in the footsteps of his father and yet of all his experience like a child we forget to be better every day.